Goosey's getting the first splash of the year. Those buffs are really loving it. Still gets pretty cold at night, so I'm just gonna dump her out when they're done. Once the warmer weather comes, they'll be splashing all the time. And Muscovy's getting in on the action there too. Oh, the duck just chased the goose out, and they're all running around like maniacs. Splish splash. Splish splash.